Hello? I don't even think we do that here. Whatever, I don't care. Bye.
Have you ever called a plumbing company and spoken to a rude representative? Or maybe nobody answers the phone at all and you had to leave a voicemail?
I don't even know where I have to do this plumbing call. Couldn't the customer literally just wait till tomorrow?
Perhaps you sat around all day waiting for your plumber to arrive, only to find out they're going to be late, or even worse, not show up at all.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Of course I know what I'm doing.
Then they arrive, and you start second guessing yourself if you've even called the right company. Hi, my name is Keith, the founder of Plumbs Up Plumbing and Drains. If you've ever experienced any of these problems before, then we have the solution for you. Here at Plumbs Up, we pride ourselves on serving our customers with the highest quality experience, always exceeding your expectations. If you have any plumbing or drain issues, call us today and you'll see how we can make your day great.